Alright, it's Jay, that drain guy, here in a building downtown Toronto. See, the sink is plugged. So, somebody was here, I'm guessing the super or some maintenance guy, and wasn't able to do it, but they were nice enough to leave a mess for me. That's awesome. So, what we're gonna do, we're gonna open up this drain, snake it out, and clear it all up. Why the super couldn't do it, I don't know. Am I gonna do it? Yes. Here we go. A little bit of grease, possibly hair. Why hair? I don't know. So as you can see, the drain's running good. I'm just going to fill it up while we wrap up our tools. Alright, let's check it out. That looks good to me. This has been Jay, that drain guy. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Trogna.